Nick?
Yo.
I ain't seen you in a minute, bro. What's good?
It's his Wi-Fi, Crawford.
Was it your Wi-Fi?
There you go, Destiny.
His Wi-Fi.
Is that why you weren't on the show?
In the storm. It was bad in the storm, but it was cool.
It wasn't no storm.
There was no storm. What did you talk about?
Temple, why you look so upset?
The fact that you had an iPhone.
Sunny day.
Guys. Good morning, Heights.
It's Rick on the
I can confuse them, come watch the news. We got the juice, Miss Denver school. We talk about sports and not dealing with poor. Make a big plays in the field on the court. Fair my heights when we coming up short. Hornets, I find out we even the score. 8 a.m. when we walk through the door. A's and B's, 100 galore.
Hey Hornets, Mr. Cody here. I want to ask you a question. What do you know about the notorious RBG, Ruth Bader Ginsburg? Ruth Bader Ginsburg was the second woman appointed to the U.S. Supreme Court. It's a job for life, and she served as a justice for 27 years. So who was she? She was an advocate for women's rights and gender equality. She served in the U.S. Court of Appeals from 1980 to 1993 and on the U.S. Supreme Court from 1993 until her death. Ginsburg argued the case of Roe v. Wade in 1973, which essentially gave women the right to have an abortion in the United States. If it wasn't for her, who knows where women's childbirthing rights would be today? After graduating from law school, Ginsburg started to encounter a lot of gender discrimination. This was the peak of her movement towards gender equality. Contrary to many couples of their time, Ruth Bader Ginsburg and her husband Martin Ginsburg were what you would call an equal couple. There were no restriction to duties based on their gender, and they split up daily tasks by whom would perform it with more efficiency. She truly believed in equality. The notorious RBG actually has a bit in common with the famous rapper, the notorious B.I.G. They were both raised in Brooklyn, New York, and Biggie released his debut album the same year Ginsburg became a Supreme Court justice. Baby, baby.
We demand justice! We demand justice! And we want it now! We want it now!
Hey Hornets. The Hispanic Heritage Foundation's 2020 Youth Awards Educational Program is now accepting applications. Their 22nd annual Youth Awards will grant students in the graduating class of 2021 with up to $1,000 in educational grants to fund their higher education or a community-based project. Recipients will be selected for their accomplishments in the classroom, community, and for their excellence in various educational categories. The deadline to apply is December 6, 2020. Students can apply and find more information at www.hispanicheritage.org. To see more information, just visit this website.
Y'all know it was somebody's birthday this past week?
Ooh. Nobody cares.
I'm playing, y'all. Let's get into it.
Oh my gosh, Alexis. Weekly update. Don't let them say weekly updates. Don't let them put that S on there. That's killing me.
Temple, go to class.
This is my class. Exactly.
Hey Justin, that B-roll from the last episode was trash. J. Cone!
Maybe not. Let me take that back.
Go! Go!
How do you think I felt, Temple?
All right. Look, man, get your crap off my desk, man. I'm sitting you sitting on my tables.
So we all know and love this Crawford.
What? You're laughing? All right, that's good.
But what about the Crawford that's not a teacher?
They don't have rocks, so they're throwing dirt. Aiden, don't get too close. No, you throw it. I'm not throwing dirt.
Daddy. Daddy. Everybody say Everybody. You're gonna be on TV.
Happy birthday, Crawford. You are one of the most greatest teachers, the most amazing person. Happy birthday, Crawford.
Happy birthday, Georgie.
Happy birthday, Crawford.
Happy birthday, Crawford.
I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for being my mentor and helping me throughout my creative journey. You're getting kind of old there, but happy birthday, Crawford.
Some people say I'm a great teacher. They enjoy coming to my class and they enjoy learning underneath me. I enjoy what I do. What else can I say? Yeah. Because that's what he said. Some people say I'm the world's greatest boss.
Here's your weekly update.
Reed, wake up. Let's go, man.
Hey,
Look,
why you waking me up, mama?
Now, you can't be resting, man. The kid's been off school for 4 days.
That's why I'm laying here asleep, man, because I got nothing to do.
Man, we're going to have to reteach these jokers everything.
Man, seriously, I got these kids, man, they emailing me left and right. I can't get into Zoom. I can't get into Google Classroom. You send them how to do it, they still can't get in. Now I finally got to get them in, and now they're going to be hollering, I can't get in again, Mr. Reed. I'm not looking forward to it, Mr. Farmer.
This is one of those times. I'm Mr. Farmer.
I'm Mr. Reed.
And this is your weekly update. Hey, Hornets, do you want to play sports in college? Do you feel as though you're not being noticed by college coaches? College coaches are out there looking for athletes just like you. To connect with college coaches, you need to be proactive. There's a free virtual eligibility and scholarship workshop today at 8 p.m. Details can be found in the description below.
The junior class is holding elections for the junior class officers through SGA. The applications open up today and they close October 2nd at 5 o'clock p.m. Don't be late.
Yeah, one more reminder. When you're absent from school, you need to have your parents email us, not you, and CC that email to Miss Spriggs in the attendance office. So stop emailing us.
Stop emailing us, get on our word. On Wednesday, September 30th, there will be a Student Rights and Responsibilities Assembly. Be there. 9th grade will be meeting at 9 a.m. 10th grade will be meeting at 2 p.m. 11th grade will be meeting at 11 a.m. And 12th graders, you'll be meeting at 1 p.m. Be sure to register on your graduating classes Google Classroom.
On Monday, October 12th, 2020, parent-teacher conferences. Schools will be closed for students. There will also be no school on that Friday, October 16th, 2020. For teachers, we got professional development. Hey!
Why should you be a Hornet? It's not because we're good at what we do or that we are a tough football team. No. It's because once you're a Hornet, you're always a Hornet. And on that field, your brothers have your back through pain, struggle, and victory.
What it really means to live life golden.
Let's go, Hornets!
All right, so that's the end of our segment.
We finished, Farmer.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. I hope you enjoyed your time with us.
I enjoyed seeing you, dog. I did, man. It's just good seeing you.
Anyway, I'm Mr. Farmer.
I'm Mr. Reed.
And that was your weekly update. Don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Instagram, FHHS TV.
Mike out.
It's been a long video. You want to go home. But guess what? I just want to let you know. Have a great day on purpose. I'm watching you. You better have a great day.